Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script for National Reading Day, which is on 19th of June. Every day is a blessing from God. Yeah, everything is beautiful. Why to complain about anything? Let's be thankful for our life and the things that are still going well. A very hearty morning to all, respected principal sir, teachers, and my fellow students. This is Minakshi Chaudhary from class 8 standing before you to present today's morning assembly on the occasion of National Reading Day. Dear all, being able to read opens the world up to a person. It enriches us and makes us beautiful person. Believe it or not, the universal truth is that reading makes a man perfect. As we all know that morning prayer orient our hearts and mind to God. So let's begin our day with God's prayer first. So everybody get ready for prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, we proud to be a part of this blessed country. And reciting the pledge is a mark of patriotism to the country. Let us take a vow to fulfill our duties and responsibilities towards our country. For this, I would like to invite on stage Namrata from class 8th. Thank you very much, Namrata. And it's time to refresh our mind with a good thought. We need a daily input of new ideas, wisdom, and experience to help each day turn out well. Let us refresh our mind with today's thought. I would like to invite on stage Pratima from class 8th. Good morning, everyone. My name is Pratima. Thought of the day is from the reading of good books, there comes a richness of life that can be obtained in no other way. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much, Pratima. News builds our knowledge about the world around us. It's important to update us with what is happening around us and around the world. For today's news update, I would like to invite on stage Purvi from class 8th. Thank you very much, Purvi, for today's news update. Dear all, today on June 19th, we are celebrating 27th National Reading Day. The purpose of celebrating National Reading Day is to spread awareness to the people about the importance of reading, to promote a culture of reading among people, to make young people aware of the various books and spread the message of read and grow, and above all, to give honor to P.N. Panikkar, the father of the library movement in Kerala. And today, KVPL pay tribute to Shri P.N. Panikkar. And next, I would like to invite on stage Smriti from class 8 to speak on importance of reading books. Thank you very much, Smriti, for this speech. It's good to pay close attention to the words we are not familiar with. We must improve and expand our vocabulary day by day. And we have an option in our daily assembly where we add a new word in our vocabulary every day. Next, I would like to invite on stage Shagun from class 8 for word of the day. Good morning, everyone. My name is Shagun. Word of the day is potent, which means extend, to stretch forth. Synonyms of potent are predict, prophecy. Antonyms are describe and recite. I'm using potent in a sentence. Rising infection rates potent, a health care disaster. Thank you. Thank you very much for enhancing our vocabulary. A good grasp of general knowledge is key to success in many areas of our life. It makes us smarter and helps us make well-informed decisions. Let us check and enhance our general knowledge. For today's GK quiz, I would like to invite Ahista from class 8. Thank you very much, Ahista, for enhancing our general knowledge. And now we are at the end of today's morning assembly. Now everybody get ready for national anthem and start.